Hello, this is your guide for Thursday, May 14th in Work Packet 5. And at the end of the video, we'll listen to this book, Earth, No Place Like Home, where we'll learn about space and what makes Earth special and why we can live on this planet. But let's start with our printing practice. And please don't forget, put your name up here so I know who did the work. Please write neatly and don't forget your finger spaces. Read and write the sentences. So we're done with our sight words. We're done with our number words. Now we're going to practice full sentences. So let's read the first one. This first line. I like to swim in the pool. And then down here, we'll try our best to write that ourselves. I want your eye to touch the top line and the bottom, as close as you can. And then your lowercase l, I want you to be touching the lines with it. You see how these letters have this gap there? We don't want that. Yeah, same with these ones here. You actually want to be touching the lines. Okay. So I like to swim in the pool. Finger space. To swim. I make sure the dot goes above the middle line. I like to swim in the pool. I think I can fit it here. Let's see. Make sure lowercase p goes under the line. Pool period. That's as close as it could have been. I like to swim in the pool. Just once is okay. Let's go on to the second sentence. It is hot in the summer. Okay, same thing. We want to be touching the line at the top. Come down. Lowercase t. It is hot in. Oh, my eye's a little too big. Oh, I did it again. No! Okay. Sorry, it's hard to write at the bottom of the board. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. It is hot in the summer. E-R exclamation mark because it's exciting. It's hot in the summer. Okay, just one is okay. If you want to write it twice, if you still have space like me, you can. But just one is okay. Okay, let's move on to our diagraph of the day. We only have a few more left. And today's diagraph, the letters S-H. Shh. That sound like shop and push. Shh. S-H. Zoom in. There we go. Let's practice the sh sound, like in shop and push. So in both of those words, sh, up, and push. SH sounds like sh. And finger space. That's a really bad S. erase. S H. I actually do want you to start at the top. It looks a little funky with this line, but it's okay. I should have made this one the top. S H, finger space, S H. And please finish the rest of the line. Color in the pictures that have a sh sound in them. So shark, sh, arc. So we'll color it in. It has the SH sound. Sheep and dice. Is that a sheep? Dice. I don't know why this guy's back here. So it kind of looks like a sheep. So we'll color it in. Dice? I don't know. That's confusing. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Pizza? Nope. Boat? No. Sailboat? No. Apple? No. And shell? Shell. Yes. And this one has that little sheep too, which makes me think that this one's just for dice. Dice and shell. Oh yeah, these little things. They're hidden all over the page. There's another one. They're watching us. Okay, that's creepy. Write a sign for the shop. Okay, what are they selling? They're open, there's nothing in the window, and there's a sheep sticking out of the roof. Okay, what's the name of our shop? Sheepies. Come on into Sheepies. We got a big sale. Come on down, Sheepies. Okay, add sh to make a word. Add sh. So, p, sh, push. Wish, wish, wa, sh, wash, and sh, ache, shake. Circle the sh words in the sentence below. She wished she could wash her pet shark. And we'll circle words with sh. sh. She wished she could wash her pet shark. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sh words. Okay, let's move on to our daily language review. And we'll zoom in. Okay. Fix the sentences. Number 1 and number 2 have mistakes. I underlined where there's a problem in the sentence and we gotta fix it. So let's read number 1. Does you like my green dress? Does you like my green dress? So first thing, that's a lowercase letter at the start of a sentence. And does you like, it should be do you like my green dress? And it's a question. Do you like this? So a question should end with a question mark. And everything else is okay. So start with uppercase. Do you like my, make sure your Y's and G's go under the line. Do you like my green dress? Question mark. Do you like my green dress? Number 2. Should I wear my red shirt? So same thing. We need to start every sentence with an uppercase letter. Should I wear my red shirt? So this kind of wear, that's like a place. Where is it? Not like wearing a dress or a hat or a coat. So we need to change this wear to wear clothing. Should I wear my red shirt? And we know it's a question because it says, should I? Should I wear my red shirt? So it shouldn't be a period. It should be a question mark. Uppercase at the start. Should, finger space, I, finger space, wear my red shirt? Red shirt. Should I wear my red shirt? Looks a lot better, right? Okay, circle the word that means full of color. Full of color. So, coloring, colorful, colors. Which one means full of color? So, coloring, like you're coloring a picture, that's not going to be it. Colors, that's just a bunch of colors. Colorful, it even sounds like full. Colorful, full of color, right here. And this is actually the American way to spell color. So please, under this, we'll do it the Canadian way. COLOURFUL. Okay. In Canada, we put the U in there. Right? The missing word. Number 4. The blue shirt is the best or better one of all. The blue shirt is the best one of all. The blue shirt is the better one of all. Definitely best is the right word. The blue shirt is the best of all. The best one of all. Okay, story time. Remember, if I'm going too fast or too slow, you can skip ahead in the video or pause or go backwards. Today's story, the duck's luck. And our word family, UCK, uck. Okay, please read the story and answer the questions. This story is called The Duck's Luck. The UCK uck family, like duck, luck, and truck. Let's look at the pictures. We've got a truck, and that looks like a horseshoe on the door, so maybe he's a farmer or a rancher. And we've got some little ducklings. They kind of look like baby ducks. And let's read the questions. Number 1, what are the ducks' names? Number 2, Number 2, what did he try to do for good luck? Number 3, at the end, how did Huck help Chuck? Okay, let's start it off. The duck's luck. Chuck the duck wanted good luck. Huck said, tap the truck to get good luck. Chuck went to the truck. Oh no, he got stuck in the mud. Huck, help me! I am stuck, said Chuck. I will be your good luck, Chuck. I will help you not be stuck, said Huck. Well, what a nice friend. Question number 1. What are the ducks' names? Chuck and Huck, right? So Chuck, the duck, and Huck. Chuck and Huck. What are their names? Remember, we have to put uppercase for both of their names. Proper noun. Chuck and Huck. Uppercase H. Chuck and Huck. Period. Number 2. What did he try to do for good luck? Something about tapping a truck. Tap the truck to get good luck. Chuck went to the truck. Oh no, he got stuck in the mud. So what he wanted to do was tap the truck. Okay, what did he try to do for good luck? Tap the truck. Remember, please try to make your letters as nice as you can. Touching the lines, going slow. It's so important that people can read what you're writing. Tap the truck. Number 3. At the end, how did Huck help Chuck? Huck, help me! I am stuck, said Chuck. I will be your good luck, Chuck. I will help you not be stuck. So at the end, how did Huck help Chuck? I will help you not be stuck. I will help you not be stuck. So we kind of have to guess. They don't really say what he did. Did he waddle over there and pull him out with his beak? We don't know. But we know he will help him not be stuck in the mud. So how should we say that? At the end, how did Huck help Chuck? He helped him out of the mud. Let's just say that. He helped him, even though that wasn't in the story, we can infer that's what happened right after the end of the story. He helped him out of the mud. What a nice friend. Although, I kind of get the feeling that he knew there was mud over there, and he was just trying to make him fall in there just for fun. Because Huck says, let's go red. Huck said, tap the truck to get good luck. It was his idea. He said, hey, go over to that truck. Chuck went to the truck. Oh no, he got stuck in the mud. And I bet you Huck, he's over there in the corner laughing. His duck laugh. If I was a duck, I would do that. Maybe it's just me. Okay, let's do some math. Rounding numbers. It's something we've been talking about. Now we have a whole page to practice. Okay, so let's read this box, this example at the top, and this page, rounding numbers. Rounding a 2-digit number to the nearest 10. For example, 46. It is between 40 and 50. And here's a number line, 40 and 50. And 46 would be right here. And 46 is closer to 50, so you would round it up to 50. 46 is rounded to 50. And here's an important thing that we also talked about yesterday. A number halfway between two numbers should be rounded up. For example, 35 is rounded up to 40. Or 25 goes to 30, 65 goes to 70, 85 goes to 90. Okay? If it ends with a 5, because a 5 would be right in the middle, just know that if it's in the middle, it goes up, not down. Okay, let's try a few. Use an arrow to locate each number on the number line. Then round the number to the nearest 10. Okay, so it tells us our number here. I did the first one for you, question 34. So our number is 53. Our number line goes from 50 to 60. And 51 to 53. And my arrow shows we go down to 50. 53 is rounded to 50. Okay? It's not too complicated. It's not a trick. Let's do a few. 35. So our number is 88. And our number line goes from 80 to 90. So let's count backwards from 90. 89, 88. 88 would be right here. So I should round it up to 90. 88 is rounded to 90. Question 36. Number is 69. Number line goes from 60 to 70. And 69 comes right before 70. So we should round it up to 70. 69 is rounded to 70. Next question. 17. Number line is 10 to 20. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And that will go up to 20. 17 is rounded to 20. Okay, we didn't have to round down today except for the first one. Let me explain this one more time up here. So our number was 53. Number line goes from 50 to 60. And 51, 52, 53 goes back down. 54, 55. This is the cutoff. 55, it would go this way. But our number is 53. Okay. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Number 38. The number of candies in the jar is between 75 and blank. So let's look at the picture. Jar of candy. And what do these words say? About 80. So about means pretty close. It could be 80. It could be 76. So the numbers of candies in the jar is between 75 and 80. It could be more than 80. Well, we'll just say 80 for now. That's okay. Number 39. The number of beads in the box is between blank and blank. And the box says beads about 50. Let's say it would be between 45 and 55. We should add a few. Yes, let's change this first one. Because it could be more than 80. About 80, so it could be less, it could be more. Between 75 and 85. I like that better. And then the beads about 50, so it could be between 45 and 55. That's a pretty safe bet. Okay. Let's move on to the next page. Oh yes, I've been waiting to talk to you about this. Graphs. Graphing. I love doing these. And it looks hard, looks overwhelming, but trust me, it's really great to know how to use a graph. It actually makes things a lot easier to think about. So this word, graphs. Graphs. Look at the graph to answer the questions. And this is about favorite cookies. Favorite cookies. And down here, we see the names of different kinds of cookies. Chocolate cookie, chocolate chip, oatmeal, peanut butter, sugar. So different kinds of cookies, and then look at these numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And that number is for how many people how many people said their favorite cookie was each kind. So for example, let's talk about chocolate cookies. And if it's shaded in, that means somebody said that was their favorite cookie. So this one goes up to here. This is all the chocolate cookies that people said was their favorite. And it goes up to 8. Okay, so 8 people said chocolate cookies were their favorite. What about chocolate chip right next to it? So chocolate chip, it goes up to here, and that is 13. So 13 people said chocolate chip. And then oatmeal down here, only 4 people. Peanut butter, 7 people said it's their favorite. Sugar, nobody did. Aw, nobody likes sugar cookies. They might like them, but they're just not their favorites, right? So I hope that makes it easier to understand. Let's answer these questions. We'll be doing more graphing later too. Number 1, how many different kinds of cookies are named on the graph? How many different kinds of cookies are named? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cookies. Write that there. Number 2, how many kids chose chocolate chip? So just like we did a second ago, we're looking at chocolate chip right here. Chocolate chip, and it goes up to here. 13. How many kids chose chocolate chip? 13. Number 3, mark the kind of cookie that no one picked. Ah, we figured this one out too. Sugar, because you see nothing is highlighted. There's no shading. Nothing's gray. It's all white. It's because nobody picked it. So they couldn't put anything on the graph. So that means sugar was the kind of cookie no one picked. Aw, poor sugar cookie. Aw. Number 4, how many kids voted? Ah. Now this is going to take some math to figure out. Yeah. Let's do this. I'm just going to erase these numbers. I'm going to write down the numbers under each one. Because you might think, looking at the graph, you might think, oh, well, it goes up to 14, so 14 kids voted. Nuh-uh. You got to know how many gray boxes are filled in. So we've got 8, 13, 4. That's way more than 14. So we need to figure out how many voted for each one and then add those numbers. Let's use blue. Okay, so chocolate, 8 kids picked chocolate. Chocolate chip, 13 kids. Oatmeal, 4. Peanut butter, 7. Sugar, 0. So now if we add those numbers, it'll tell us how many kids voted. Okay, let's do the biggest number on top. So 13 plus 8, and we'll break it down into chunks. And then we'll cross them off once I used them. So 13 and 8, we got those. And then what's left? 7 and 4. 7 plus 4. And then we'll add both of these answers together. So we got 7 and 4. And we don't need to add 0 because that's nothing. It's not going to change what the number is. Okay, start in the ones place. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2, so 21. 7 plus 4 equals 11. And now we'll add these two numbers. 21 plus 11. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 32 kids voted. Okay? Are you starting to understand graphs? I think graphs are awesome, and we'll be learning lots more about those. We'll make our own graphs, and we can record lots of stuff. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite holiday? Did you eat breakfast today? All sorts of stuff. How much water did you drink today? Okay, last page for today. Number of the day. And remember, it's all about the middle number. My number is 83. Everything on the page starts with 83. Okay, I like to start at the top. How many tens do we have? In the tens place, there's 8. 8 tens, and in the ones place, 3. And 8 tens, what does that equal? When we say tens, we mean one of these 10 blocks. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 8 tens equals 80. 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. 3 ones equals 3. 80 plus 3 equals 83. Over here, the T means tens. So how many tens? Still 8. How many ones? Still 3. Here, 1 less. What's 1 less than 83? 82. What's 1 more than 83? 80. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. That just won't do. No. Unacceptable. Okay. 1 more than 83? 84. Ordinal number. Like you're in a race with 100 people and you came in 83rd. Not just 83, 83rd. Ordinal, like order. I was the 83rd across the line. Round to the nearest 10. So we did rounding today. Do you remember? Let's do it. We've been learning about it up and down, and today we did it sideways. So let's try sideways again. And 83 is between 80 and 90. So let's make a little number line. 80 over here, and we'll say 90 right here. And we need to make some little dash marks. So 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. And 83, let's see, 81, 82, 83 is here. And remember, 84, once it gets to 5, 85 would go up. But this is back here, so 83 rounds down to 80. Rounding to the nearest 10, we go to 80. Number line. Record on a number line. So instead of just 80 and 90, this one starts at 0 and it goes to 100. And we should know by now each dash on here means 10. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now, where does 83 go? We know it's between 80 and 90, and it's closer to 80. So, right about here. It's less than halfway. And then we'll write 83 on the bottom. Nice. Okay, base 10s. What my number looks like using base 10 materials. And we can use our chart up here if we get stuck. So we need 8 10s and 3 1s. That's it. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s. Let's check though. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. Okay, plus 10 minus 10. So only the number in the tens place will change because we're adding just 10. So if we add 10, it'll go up. So 83 goes up to 93. We don't even have to write an equation. We can just look at the question and figure it out. Take away 10. The tens place is going to go down by 1. So 83, 8 goes down to 7, and 3 stays the same. See how that works? Get used to that. That's a trick you can use to save time. Don't always have to write equations. Okay, odd or even. Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. What does our number end with? 83. And 3 is here, so that's an odd number. Okay? And record a number pattern starting at your number. Starting at your number. So that means the first spot needs to be 83. Now let's make it fun today. It doesn't always have to be 2s and 5s. It could be 100. So 83, 183, 283. What's next? 383. You see only the hundreds place is changing. 483, 583, and 683. So our pattern, we're going up by hundreds. Last one, my number in words. I did this one for you. I still want you to read it. 83. 83. Don't forget the hyphen between the words. 83. Okay, that's it for Thursday. And we will watch our book about Earth and space. And then we'll be done for today. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, Friday, May 15th. And remember, I make a video every day. So please try to keep up. Please try to do as much as you can. Epic Books, Earth, no place like home. Full screen. Here we go.
Earth, no place like home, by Joyce Markovics. What's the only planet where plants and animals live? Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Sun. Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Earth moves around the Sun. The trip takes 365 days or 1 year. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. Heat and light from the Sun travel to Earth. Sun. Heat and light from the Sun. The heat helps warm the planet. Daytime. Nighttime. Many kinds of animals and plants live on Earth. They need the sun's warmth and light to live and grow. Oceans cover most of Earth. Ocean water. No other planet in our solar system has liquid water on its surface. The rest of Earth is covered by land. Land. There are dry deserts and deep valleys. Tall mountains stretch toward the sky. Oxygen and other gases surround Earth. Animals and people breathe in oxygen to live. So far, scientists have not found living things on other planets. To look for them, scientists send spacecraft into space. A rocket leaving Earth, carrying a spacecraft inside. One day, we may discover new life far, far away. A spacecraft.
Okay, that was a quick one, but lots of good information. Done. Let's get our points. Finish book. Level 3. Oh, start the quiz? Let's do the quiz. Were you listening? Let's try. Start the quiz. What is the only planet where plants and animals live? Animals, they spelled it wrong. Only planet where plants and animals live. Earth, Saturn, Moon. The Moon is not a planet. Earth is the only planet in our solar system, the Milky Way, the Milky Galaxy, the Milky Way, with animals. Earth, that's us. Okay, what's next? How far is Earth from the sun? Oh, I wasn't listening. Let's figure it out. Are we 5 planets away, 1 planet, or 3 planets? Remember the saying, my very energetic mama just served us nachos. So, my very energetic. 3. We're the 3rd planet from the sun. How many days does it take Earth to move around the sun? 290, 365, 165. 365 days in a year. That's why we say it's 1 year, because that's how long it takes us to go all the way around. And that's why we have different seasons. Where does the Earth get its heat and light from? Sun, stars, or moon? The sun. That's where the heat comes from. What covers most of Earth? Land, trees, or oceans? All that blue stuff, that's the oceans. We're about 70% oceans on Earth. 2 more questions. What do people breathe in to live? What do they breathe in to live? Oxygen, bugs, or oil? Yuck. We breathe oxygen. Last question. Have living things been found on other planets? No, not that I know of. Maybe they're keeping it a secret. Who knows? And maybe some aliens on a different planet found some other aliens, but they just didn't tell us about it. Who knows? Earth quiz results 100%. You correctly answered 7 out of 7. Nice work. You're a superstar. Yeah, I know. Finish. Cool. There's lots of space books. And we could watch one of those next time, or maybe we'll try Pete the Cat again, or something else. Let's see. No promises. I might change which one, but let's take a quick look. Dinosaurs, fossils and dinosaurs. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I think I saw something back there. It's hiding. Get back here. Pig Detective. I know you saw it. This one. We just want Pig Detective. No, you're not getting away that easy, pig. Pig Detective. I saw you. Pig Detective. Read to me. Pig Detectives.
Pig detectives.
Oh,
5.
slow down, buddy. Ah, okay, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned tomorrow, Friday, May 15th. Thanks for doing your homework, watching these videos. Take care of yourself. Drink some water. Bye bye.